Still running your industry on outdated systems while your competitors automate everything? Manual processes, disconnected systems, delays, errors, and rising costs. No matter your industry, these challenges slow your growth. What if your operations could run smarter, faster, and more efficiently with AI and automation? At Webmines LLC, we deliver industry-focused technology solutions designed for real-world challenges. From manufacturing to oil and gas, from textiles to automotive, we help businesses automate workflows, improve production efficiency, track operations in real time, ensure compliance and scalability. Whether you're in manufacturing, mining and metals, energy and pipelines, FMCG and food processing, leather, textile, or automotive, we build solutions tailored specifically for your industry, trusted by global enterprises, built for performance, designed for long-term success. Don't let outdated systems hold you back. Transform your operations today. Visit webminesllc.com.